You are going to love the 2006 Rainier. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.2-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, daytime running lights, fog lights, roof rack. Inside you'll find universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.